Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool which is very useful for us to automate our literature review writing. So it has different levels of writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So and what are the limitations are also present in that particular AI tool. So and also we will check out what is the pricing and plans of that particular AI tool. So before that, there is some words you can generate for free. Thereby you can get an idea how your research paper will be generated. So let us check it out. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. In this workshop, we are going to model that PV and wind energy sources, that is power production from renewable energy sources, and then we are going to incorporate that energy produced from that renewable energy sources to EV charging station. So this is what we are going to discuss, and also we are going to implement different types of maximum power point tracking in that renewable energy sources to extract maximum power from them, and then we are going to connect it with the EV charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. If you are interested in EV charging design in MATLAB, so don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that 𝐴𝐴. So here you can see this is specially designed to write scholarly articles. So here you can see your undetectable AI writer, scholarly and creative works personalized in minutes. So let us see. So before that, you can create for free, just you can give an input topic like that. So for example, I am going to explain about grid connected PV system. So like that, I am going to give general topic related with electrical stream. So grid solar PV system. So just click create for free. So it will ask like this. So here you can see that medium, that is 3 to 5 pages, or you can increase number of pages, that is long 7 to 12 pages. So like that it will generate, and also for every number of pages it will generate the words, and that is words count also. So here you can see that 4200 to 7200 words. For medium content you can see 1800 to 3000 words. Next, so like that you can adjust medium or as well as long. So this is the second step. The first step is that you have to give your topic, and then second step that it has it is generate to choose number of pages. Here you can see I am choosing this medium 3 to 5 pages. So after that, here you can see that word count is 1800 to 3000. So after that, click next. So here you can see that please select an option. These are the different types of voices here. So you can select any of the voice. So formal, informative, objective, analytical, persuasive, narrative, descriptive, casual. So like that it will give the voice to choose. So after that, what you can give is, so just to click on this formal. So here next, click on next. So after that it will ask that need references in your work, which style. So here you can see that no thanks. So if you no need reference, so you can give no thanks. So apart from this, it will having different types of references. So that is reference styles, MLA, APA, IEEE, Chicago, Harvard, Encore. So like that different types of styles are available. So next what you can give is, so I am going to click it as an IEEE format, and then click enter. So it will take several seconds. So here you can see that the outline of the topic is generated. So this is the outline of the topic. Grid connected solar PV system. Introduction, definition of grid connected solar PV system, benefits of the grid connected solar PV system, components of grid connected solar PV system. Next you can see that working principle, solar PV, that is principal conversion of that is conversion of sunlight to electricity, inverter conversion DC to AC power, connection to grid, site selection and design considerations, installation process of grid connected solar PV system. Next, maintenance and troubleshooting, policy and regulations, government incentives and subsidies. Next, net metering and feed-in tariffs, compliance with the local codes and standards. So like that it will generate the that is outline of the particular paper to be generated. So if you are struggling to make a better outline for your synopsis or thesis or any project report, so you can make use of this option to generate a better outline for your content. So after that, what you can give is, so just click on next. So here you can see that our content is started to generated. So introduction. So reduction in electricity bills, no requirement for any battery storage, no pollution, 100% silent, reduce the carbon footprint. Excess power generation can be exported to the grid, earn money from excess power export. The lifespan of solar panels can be increased by using it with grid. So it will generate a detailed introduction. So here you can see the introduction. So a grid connected solar PV system is also known as grid solar system, and it is most common type of solar power system that is used in homes and businesses in renewable sector throughout the world. The cities or urban areas where the main electricity grid is available, this type of solar power system is commonly used, because in this type of system the solar power generation is connected to the with the grid. So like that, it has generated a content. Next you can see the definition of grid connected solar PV system. So here you can see that the definition is given very detailedly, that is elaborated content is generated. Next you can see the benefits of a grid connected solar PV system. So here you can see that this is the benefits of grid connected. Next you can see the components of the grid connected solar PV system. So here you can see that components of the grid connected solar PV system, and then you can see that working principle. So here what is the problem is that it has generated only limited words for free. So after that you have to go for subscription option, that is upgrade option in this particular AI tool. So also you can direct this that is potentially seen as AI generated, you can evaluate by paying that is, it will show the AI direction percentage also. So here you can see up to first section, so the content is automated, so up to the limited words. So here you can see that upgrade option. So in order to upgrade you have to sign it with mail ID. So I am going to sign in with another mail ID. For every mail ID it will have access for some free words to be generated. So here you can see, so this is the plans and pricings. For 1 month you can see it's US dollars 24.99. For 6 months offer, so it is 11.66 per month. For 12 months of offer it is 8.33 per month. So if you subscribe this also, so it will take around 8.33 per month, that is dollars. So go on and explore this AI Thor, so thereby you can get an idea. So this is one of the tool where it can automate that is research paper writing. So we don't know, because only a section of the content is generated for free only. So just to go on with your topic, as far as I have explored with 2 other different topics also. So it is generating better theoretical content. So if you are struggling to write a body of the paper, research paper, so you can use this option, that is to generate a theoretical brief theoretical content. So thereby you cannot copy and paste in any of your reference paper, you can generate using AI tool also. So this is how this AI Thor will work. So go on and explore this AI Thor with free use. If you are interested in, you can go for subscription option. So here you can see the AI tokens is, that is 200, that is limited to 200. So here another important thing is that, so if you subscribed you can have AI content, so you can have unlimited access features. So you can generate how much amount of content you want, you can generate. So there is no restriction in paying, after paying there is no restriction, so you can generate unlimited content. So thereby you can generate a better theoretical content, a body of a paper using this AI Thor. So hope this video will bring an aware about how to automate your research paper writing using this AI Thor. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.